2 months back, I got an SOS call from one of my friend, Mithun. Mithun was told that he got an yellow alert and he's not feeling safe. Yellow alert in the month of May, where even rain is hardly heard of. He was referring to the yellow alert that he got in the Arogya Setu app. Mithun luckily followed the instructions in the application. He went on self-quarantine. Even went to have the test. He was tested positive. As he had done it much in advance, he recovered fast and he's hale and healthy now. On top of it, his family members, all the loved ones didn't get infected because of the safe distancing he was able to follow on the nick of the time. The next thing I did after hearing from from Mithun was to get the app installed. If I ask all of you, are you safe? Even I cannot give a comfortable and convincing answer other than looking at the app and it says that I am safe. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and my dear guests. I welcome you on a train journey, an inquisitive train journey about the Arogya Setu app. As per DigiWorld, if you look for the most downloaded application in the month of April, any guesses what it will be? It is something that we are using right now for our online meeting, Zoom. It was the first one in the list. If you look for the fifth one, it is Arogya Setu. But is it effective? Is it having enough downloads to make sure that it's effective? If you take the count, it is only having 130 million installations. Only 130 million because our population is 1.4 billion, which is hardly 10%. And that is a contribution that India is right now having in the numbers of coronavirus cases across the world, 10%. But for any application of this nature to be effective, it has to be minimum 50 or 60%. So we should have at least 7-fold installations to be effective. So as the saying goes, charity starts from home. With taking all the precautions, I checked into my wife's mobile. She's a banker. She has to go to office for half of the week. She will meet customers when she is in office. Unfortunately, she don't have the application. I checked it last month. I asked her, why are you not having the application? Instead of one of my wives, I got 2 wives. Why are you asking me? Why should I do that? I told her, it's an initiative by the government and it is supposed to be a coronavirus tracker by which you will be able to contain the spread of the coronavirus. And it uses geotagging by which it will identify your proximity to a person who is infected or a hotspot. I don't use geo. So it will not work for me. No, it's not that geo. It's geotagging. Only thing that you have to enable is your Bluetooth, your GPS, and you should have an active mobile connection, mobile data connection. Okay, she told okay, but you told GPS. So it means that whatever I do, it will be known for everyone. It's not that case. It is like it is designed with security as the main aspect. And the privacy is the prime concern when the design was done for the application. You will always be given a random ID, which will be anonymized. And even I cannot see what you have done in the application during the day. She got convinced, at least with this answer in terms of the security aspect. Okay, I will install it. What should I do next? I told you should do a test. Some conspiracy that you're making to make sure that I stay away from you. No, not that test. The self-assessment test to make sure that based on your medical history, your travel history, and your symptoms, you're not of that risk. So you'll be given a green, yellow, orange, or red rating based on the answers that you give. So once I give the answer, it will remain like that. If that is the case, then what is the need of the application? If you go out to buy grocery, suppose you're going on the road and you meet your friend, she's on the other side of the road. You wave your hand, you have maintained the 6 feet distance, but tomorrow she gets COVID positive. You'll only get a green alert. But if your friend is passing by and waving your hand near to you, you might get an yellow alert because you are not maintaining the 6 feet distance, but you didn't spend enough time with her for the virus to spread. But if you're going to the grocery shop and she's following you and shopping along with her, obviously you will get a orange alert. That's a high risk category. You will be given instructions. You have to follow it based on instructions given. Okay. Based on your explanation, I understand that it's very effective. But why it is not mandatory? I told her the government wanted to make it mandatory. And being a democratic country like us, when the opposition had more opposition, they made it like on your best effort basis, it can be made use of. Okay, I'm convinced. I will get it installed. Luckily, she was ready to install it. When I made my parents also install, they are in Kerala. And the good thing with the new update is that I can even track them. Only track their status, not track them. Okay. And other important thing is in countries like China and Turkey, where they have made it mandatory, they are able to contain the virus better. So it's on us to increase the number of the count of the installations, make it effective. If it is 50 or 60%, tomorrow when I ask you the question, are you safe? You can tell me proudly that I am safe. But it helped Mithun. It can help you tomorrow. So friends, as the app says, I am safe, you are safe, our country is safe. Let's join the fight and make ourselves safe. Over to you, safe master of the day. Sorry, toast master of the day.
Thank you, Abhilash.